In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a website on Clickfunnels, an incredibly powerful and user-friendly tool for creating effective online pages. Imagine having the ability to craft the perfect site that captures the essence of your brand and engages your audience. Well, by the end of this guide, you'll have the know-how to do just that on Clickfunnels 2.0. To begin, once you're logged into your Clickfunnels account, you'll want to head over to the Site and Blog app, which you'll find conveniently located on the left-hand sidebar. This area essentially serves as your website dashboard, offering you a bird's-eye view of what you're working on. It's your command center, where all the magic begins. After you've accessed the Site and Blog section, the next step is to click Edit Site. This action will open the visual page editor. The visual editor is a feature that makes Clickfunnels really stand out because it's designed to be intuitive. It allows you to directly manipulate your site's design and layout with ease. Here, you can see exactly what your visitors will see and tweak every aspect until it aligns perfectly with the vision you have in mind. While you're in the editor, take the opportunity to familiarize yourself with the tools at your disposal. It's laid out in a way to make things as user-friendly as possible. You can modify text, change colors, adjust fonts, and even rearrange page elements through simple drag-and-drop mechanics. As you customize your site, remember that simplicity and clarity are key. You want your visitors to have a seamless experience navigating through your pages. Also, don't forget the importance of visual appeal and readability when designing your site. Choose layouts and color schemes that reflect your brand's identity and aesthetics. Clickfunnels offers a range of templates and design elements that you can leverage, so feel free to explore these options to ensure your site stands out. As you're building out your pages, remember the overall goal of your website. Whether it's to sell products, capture leads, or provide information, each page should have a clear purpose and call to action. This focus will guide your design decisions and ensure that your website is not just beautiful, but effective too. Once you're satisfied with the design and layout, be sure to preview your website to see how it will look to your visitors. This is your chance to spot any inconsistencies or mistakes before the site goes live. Taking the time to double-check your work can save you from pitfalls later on. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating a functional and striking website that aligns with your business objectives. Clickfunnels provides all the tools you need to make the process as smooth and enjoyable as possible, empowering you to focus on what really matters, connecting with your audience. Thanks for watching, and happy funnel building.